Gotta love the trades, right? Well, I did a trade with a certain friend, with a certain somebody. Let's see. I'll start from up here. And, I don't know if he wants me to mention his name on video. If he does, I'll add an extra segment. If he's okay with it, I'll add an extra segment. All I'm gonna say is, you guys probably know him. Watch his video, his fan mail video, and you'll probably, hello. Damn, dude. Okay. There we go. Oh! Why? Ow. Well, that was one part of the trade. Oh, God, that hurt. There is the other part. Oh, balls. Yeah. So, for a 1984 blaster from Ghostbuster blaster for his wall, I did a trade for an Alpha Trooper and a Baron. Baron's a bit beat up, but that's okay. The Alpha Trooper. Hell yeah. Excuse me. I needed one of these so bad. This video is a bit short, so I'm gonna increase the size of my this video with something a little different. Instructions, don't need that. Ah, shit. Excuse my language, sorry. Even though this is not meant for kids, this channel, I want to make that clear. This channel is not kid friendly. I'm going to curse a little bit. Alpha Trooper CS6. Hey Hasbro, nice job. Paint on both sides. This will cut through better. Here we go. Huh? Oh, wait. I don't even have to cut it. Ah, frick. Yeah. I don't have to cut this. I can just... But I do need... I think I just cut a dart. Yep. There we go. $12. A Code Elites, if you guys are wondering. Even though I'm pretty sure no one gives a shit, but big deal. There we go. Well, that's the trade. This is a quick video, nothing too popular. Beer. This is nothing too big per se. It's just a small trade with a certain someone with a vintage blaster wall that needed some help. Hope you guys enjoyed. Expect some videos soon involving 2 of these. Bye-bye.